It's 2026, teachers are going back to school, and yes, back to school anxiety is a real thing, not just for students, but for teachers as well. And I should be in school right now, but I'm not. I'm actually enjoying a really lovely walk with my little pug. Can you see him? Just there, disguised in the snow. And I just wanted to share something with you today. It is about 9:16 in the morning. It's a Monday. It's freezing. And I am not going to school because I'm not a teacher anymore. I was a teacher for 12 years teaching science and PE, but I quit. The reason why I quit is because the main thing, I was being bullied by a deputy head. The second thing was the fact that I was working 55 hours a week and only getting paid 37. The third thing was the amount of workload we had to do over the weekend. The fourth thing was, I think, the disrespect from society, always taking advantage of teachers and just thinking, oh, you get all this holiday and that sort of thing. And then the fifth thing was actually the holidays. The fact that we got holidays, yes, we got lots and lots of holidays. However, just imagine this, your boss telling you that you're only allowed to go on holiday at certain times of the year. And it just so happens that those certain times of the year are really, really expensive. Anyway, I am here having a wonderful walk with my dog, which is, you can't really see him, but he's there behind the post. Instead of going into school and doing an inset day where people come in and tell us things of what we learned last year, and it just seems like a big fat waste of time. Or they're bringing in brand new policies. There's this new policy where teachers have to look out for misogyny now. So not only do they have to teach, they have to mark, they have to plan, they have to be an admin clerk, they have to be a police officer, they have to check out to make sure there's no little Andrew Tates running around and stuff. Is it really their job to do that? I mean, come on, seriously. If you've been getting that back to school dread, that back to school anxiety, and you haven't really had it before, but it's just creeping up right now, it's probably a sign that you're doing too much and you're getting burnt out, or the fact that school are putting too much stuff on you. If this is true, then I would seriously consider either having a conversation with somebody in the school. I would mark down on your calendar when you're working as well. Seriously, I mean this. There's a directed time calendar, so teachers have to do so much stuff. We all know that. SLT, some SLT, not all SLT, hide the fact they want them to do extra work behind something called directed time. Now, if you do not have a directed time calendar in your school, get one. You need to get a directed time calendar. It looks something like this. That's super, super important, because that is going to help you understand and protect your own valuable time, of which you're never ever going to get back. And something really amazing happened today. So I've been working with a select amount of teachers, helping them turn into life coaches for kids instead of being trapped in the education system and just wasting away till the tender age of 67. But have a quick listen to this.
Thank you. The gratitude I feel this morning to not be back in the classroom is incredible. I would already be stressed by now. I'd have already been running around like a blue-ass fly. Instead, I've had a very healthy breakfast. I've played in the snow with my children, and then Ed's taken the kids to school while I've cleaned the kitchen. And yet, I'm going to earn nearly 5k this month. Incredible. Thank you so much.
How
Have an
beautiful
amazing
is that?
day.
So that was Kirsty. Kirsty actually left the education system 8, maybe 9 months ago now. And I taught her how to create a program, how to learn the mindset techniques, how to use NLP, CBT design therapy, and how to put all them together to create a really cool package to help children grow in confidence, get rid of anxiety, and also how to get into schools as well and deliver this with students in schools as well. So she's impacting a range of different kids. She's absolutely amazing. This is her Instagram just here, and she's such a cool lady. She really, really is. But how lovely was that message? That was so lovely, wasn't it? It was so nice just to hear the fact that she hasn't got any back to school dread. She gets to play in the snow, as you can see, with her own kids. It's just amazing. If you're a teacher, I want you to understand that you don't have to be trapped and stay in the education system if you want to break out. There are so many different pathways you can go down, and one of the ones that I've chosen is to become an accredited life coach for children. So if you want to learn how to become an accredited life coach for kids, just drop me a little comment on this thread here, and I'll do my very best to help direct you and tell you exactly what I did all those years ago. But in the meantime, carry on being an amazing teacher for now. If you love it, if you don't, I would consider something different, and just recognize there's more to life than just raising other people's kids. Just saying. Peace out.